To add the Spectrum TV app to your Roku device, start by ensuring your Roku is connected to the internet and you have a Spectrum account. Go to the Roku home screen and select the Streaming Channels option. This will take you to the Roku Channel Store where you can find and add new channels. In the Channel Store, select the Search Channels option and type in Spectrum TV using the on-screen keyboard. Once you have entered the name, select the Spectrum TV app from the search results. This will take you to the app's details page where you can read more about the app and its features. To add the Spectrum TV app to your Roku, select the Add Channel option on the app's details page. If prompted, enter your Roku PIN to confirm the addition. The app will then begin to download and install on your Roku device. Once the installation is complete, go back to the Roku home screen and find the Spectrum TV app in the list of installed channels. Select the app to launch it and sign in with your Spectrum username and password. You will then have access to the full range of Spectrum TV content, including live TV, on-demand movies and shows, and more. To get the most out of the Spectrum TV app on your Roku, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support streaming. You can also customize the app's settings to suit your preferences, such as setting up parental controls or adjusting the video quality. By following these steps, you can easily add the Spectrum TV app to your Roku device and start enjoying your favorite TV shows and movies. Remember to always keep your Roku and apps up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches.